So I will show the way in which technology had a lot of reverberation in compositional practice in several works of Berio, not related with electronic. So that I will speak on technology, but translate it in orchestral and vocal pieces. Perhaps I can summarize in just one word: is awareness. Is awareness to use technology, and to use technology with really a clear view on the meaning of technology. That is a tool, is not a goal. One of the big understanding in various music with electronics is to think that they used electronics for new sounds, and it's totally wrong. They use electronic music in order to put together our music, the traditional music, the past with the present and with the future.